Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk, your daily dose of simple, natural, and real-world English. Every day, one quick lesson. Every day, you grow more confident in English. Today's topic is talking about your daily routine. Why is this important? Because daily routines are one of the easiest and most common topics in small talk, and a great way to practice using the present simple tense naturally. Let's get started. Step 1. Key phrases for talking about your day. To talk about your daily routine, use present simple verbs. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I have coffee and breakfast. I go to work at 9. I eat lunch around 1. I finish work at 6. I relax or watch TV in the evening. I go to bed around 11. Let's say them again a little faster, like a native speaker. I wake up at 7 and take a quick shower. Then I have some coffee and head to work. I usually eat lunch around 1. After work, I just relax or go to the gym. I go to bed pretty late, usually around 11 or 12. You don't have to say everything, just share a few things you usually do. Step 2. Add time words. To make your routine sound natural, add time expressions like in the morning, at night, after lunch, before work, every day, on weekdays. Let's try. I usually wake up early on weekdays. I never eat breakfast, just coffee. I sometimes go for a walk after dinner. Repeat after me. I usually finish work around 6. After dinner, I sometimes read a book. On weekends, I sleep in. Using these little words makes your English sound real and fluent. Step 3. Ask others about their routine. You can also ask questions like, what time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast every day? What do you usually do after work? How do you spend your weekends? Do you go to the gym often? Let's try a short example conversation. What time do you get up? Usually around 6:30. You? I wake up later, around 8. Another one. Do you exercise in the morning? No, I usually go after work. That's nice. I'm too tired after work. Here is speaking tip of the day. Use present simple tense for habits and routines. Here are the examples. I work from home. She works in an office. They eat out often. Practice these phrases. I walk. She walks. I sleep late. He sleeps early. Get the rhythm right, and it'll feel natural. Here is today's speaking challenge. Talk about your daily routine in English. Say it out loud in front of a mirror. Write it in a journal and read it aloud. Record a short 30-second voice note. Try this structure. I usually wake up at core. Then I. After that, I. In the evening, I. Example. I usually wake up at 6. Then I take a shower and have some tea. I work from 9 to 5, and in the evening, I cook dinner and relax with a book. Keep it short. Keep it natural. And don't worry about perfection. That's it for today on 5 Minute English Talk. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who's learning English too. Remember, speaking about your life is the best way to build real English confidence. I'll be back tomorrow with another quick practical episode. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep talking.